Today I have a new computer, the LG UltraPC, and in this series I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, tech specifications, demos, tests, how to open and how to upgrade and repair, to get to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. This computer is 14 inches with a AMD processor. It is the model 14U70Q with the reference G.AA55P. But let's see what are the specifications of this notebook PC. It has a processor AMD Ryzen 5 5625U, a 6-core CPU. The screen is 14 inches, 35.5 centimeters, WXGA IPS LCD with a resolution 1920 by 1200 pixels. The memory is 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, 512 GB of NVMe storage. Wireless LAN, it has a Intel Wi-Fi6 AX200 and Bluetooth 5.1, and comes with the operating system Windows 11 Home. So let's start by unboxing this LG UltraPC. Let's open the box and see everything that comes inside and meet the computer. Let's start by opening the box. On this side, we can see that it still has a security seal because it has never been opened. I have to cut it to be able to open the box. A small cut is enough. Now it's cut. I can open the box. I have to lift these tabs on the box in order to be able to pull the lid on top. The box is upside down. Let's turn the box. And we can open it. And here's the computer, still inside the protective film. Let's take the computer out of the box, which is protected with rigid sponges to come well packed. I'm going to get the sponges out of here, and we have the computer inside the protective bag. This is the 14-inch model. It also comes with a plastic bag of leaflets. Let's take them out to see what they are. The papers come folded in the corner. It shouldn't come like this. They should come flat. These are the guarantee conditions, also a user manual and a flyer with information about a EU directive. Nothing important. This is the manual, how it all works, computer specifications, connections and information. We'll see more about this later. What do we have more? We have a box. Let's open it to see what's inside the box. Let's see. We have the power charger here. Let's first take everything out and then we'll see everything in detail. What else do we have? We also have a USB-C to RJ45 adapter. It's an Ethernet adapter. Nice. And we have one more power cable for the power supply, with 3 pins to connect to the power charger and with a connection to connect to the wall. And that's everything that came in the box of this computer. Nothing else comes in the box, so we can put everything else away, the sponges and the cardboard boxes. Let's put here all the objects that came in the box, and I'll take them out of the plastic bags. I'm surprised because I didn't know that was included an Ethernet adapter, USB-C to RJ45, but let's see everything. Let's just open all the bags. Now take the power charger out of the bag as well, also the network adapter in this little plastic bag. The bag is just closed with tape. There's only one more thing, which is the laptop, who is protected inside this soft bag to protect from scratches. We just have to pull it. And here it is, the 14-inch computer. The color is not black or gray, it's a mixture of the two colors. I actually like the color. Let's put everything on the table. We have the laptop, LG UltraPC, a power charger, which I'm even surprised because it's bigger than I was expecting. We have a power cable for the charger, a USB to RJ45 adapter, and some papers with information about the computer. I will later go into detail about the technology specifications of this computer in another video, also about the specs of this power charger and do speed tests of this adapter. Now let's just have an overview of the computer. Let's open it to see the connectivity and the features. We lift the screen. It still comes protected with this soft film to protect the screen. So this computer has an AMD Ryzen 5 5625U CPU, a 6-core processor with hyper-threading, up to 4.3 GHz speed. It is a very good processor, especially with a very low power consumption. The screen is 14 inches, it is a small computer, it has AMD Radeon graphics, 16 GB of RAM memory, a 512 GB NVMe Wifi6, Bluetooth 5.1, an 80 Wh battery, and it only weighs 1.4 kilograms or 3 pounds. It has a QWERTY keyboard, but not the numeric keyboard. So, very good specs for a laptop. Let's see the connectivity. So, on this side we have the plug to connect the power, an HDMI 2.0, a USB-C 3.0, a 3.5 combo jack for headphones and microphone. In the front, there are no connections. Let's turn it and see the connectivity on this side. We have a card reader for microSD, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, and a hole to attach a lock, a Kensington lock. And finally, on the back, also has nothing. Let's also see underneath. Let's put it down. Underneath, we have a grid to ventilate the processor, because the computer needs to dissipate the heat, which will be in this area here. Also here will be the memory and the NVMe. But later I'm going to open this computer, show you how to open and see the repairability and the upgradability of this computer. So subscribe to see the next videos. These grids should be for the sound from the speakers. They are high quality speakers with technology DTS-X Ultra. Later I will also do the battery and NVMe speed tests. The bottom part is plastic, but the rest of the computer is not plastic. It's a sort of aluminum. We're just going to do an overview of the computer. The screen is anti-glare, LCD IPS. It has a very small webcam and two holes for the microphone. It is a small, lightweight computer. And we got an overview of this computer in this unboxing. Later, I will go into detail on all the specs. This video is more about seeing what's inside the box. So, we've seen the computer connectivity. Now we have the power charger. It is a bigger brick than I was expecting for a computer so small and with this power consumption. It is a 65 watt charger with a length of 11.5 centimeters, 3 centimeters thick, and 5.5 centimeters wide. Later, I will do charging tests. I will also measure the cable to see if it's short or long. Normally, it's around 1.5 meters. But I will do a video dedicated to that. We also have the cable to connect the charger to the power on the wall, and also this Ethernet adapter, USB-C to RJ45. And I will do tests to see if the speed is 100 megabits or 1 gigabit. Because this computer doesn't have a RJ45 port for a network cable. And also the manuals, information, guarantee about the computer. And that's all that comes inside the box of this notebook PC. The computer, a charger, a cable to connect to the power, information leaflets, but also is included an Ethernet adapter, USB-C to RJ45. Because this computer doesn't have a RJ45 port to connect a network cable. This was another video about the computer LG UltraPC, but there will be more videos about this notebook PC. I will cover everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, speed and battery tests, or how to upgrade and repair, for you to decide if you should buy this computer. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question about this computer, write in the comments.